Trying to make some money online, interested in affiliate marketing, passive income. Let's go then. Let's start. What's stopping you from starting? Yes, I want to make money online. I don't know where to start. I told you I get that all the time. That's what's cool about my course. It teaches you about all the industries if you don't know which one, and it shows you how to make money, right? But ask me a specific question, I can answer something about affiliate marketing. Um, if you don't know where to start, it it's kind of what's realistic to you. What do you have time for? It may or may not even be affiliate marketing. And what can you invest in? Because it's gonna take some money. No problem, Emmy, Mama Bear. So much information, don't know where to start. Yeah, there's a tons of information out there. Listen, I break it down in my book. Yeah, I know